Hi guys, Seagull Fox here, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys where the hidden cosmetics are in Big Scary. So let's get into it. So in level 7, if you can get one here, and if you come in here, get one here as well. So level 15, follow me. Get one here. Oh yeah. Right, so in level 9, if come over here into this area, there's a secret hat here. So this is level 23. If you complete this level, you do get the hat. So if you complete level 11, you do get a frog cosmetic. So if you complete level 21, you do actually get 2 cosmetics. And obviously, if you're a moderator, you got cosmetics behind the mirror. Alright, so that's going to be it for today's video. I hope this helped, and peace out.